creating YouTube videos takes too long, then let's do this. Actually, I'm a bit pissed off, yeah, because I'm not moving forward. I'm working so much on the video script day after day, and I'm not getting to the point where I can really go ahead. And I made a decision last night and confirmed it this morning. No, I don't do this anymore like this. I'm finished. I can't do this anymore because I'm 70 years old, yeah? So if I want to share my learnings, my wisdom, my knowledge, then I have to do it now. For what shall I wait, yeah? Until I'm dead, and I'm dead. I can't do anything. So I have to do it now and move ahead on a way that is possible. And so I made a decision to start with a challenge. No matter what is coming out of this, just every day producing one video. And today is Monday. So let's start, and please do the same, follow me. And let's do together this challenge, yeah, because video producing is actually easy peasy. You and me, we have our phone, yeah, maybe an additional microphone, so the headphone, and then there is maybe additional lighting like I'm using. This is my actually bed and reading lamp, LED lamp that I have put next to the behind my phone, because even though I'm standing next to the big window, yeah, in my apartment, but because of the long, huge balcony, the light is quite taken aback, and it's not so present on my face, and and since I have this lamp, I'm using it. So this is just another question you can easily answer yourself by testing where is the best place to produce your video. I always prefer in a standing position, because then I have the most energy, yeah, instead of sitting. Sitting is anyway something I reduce during the day, because sitting is a kind of smoking. It affects very much our body. And as I said, I'm already 70. And my mission is hundreds to reach 100 years old. But this is a different topic. Now, I really want to encouraging you to start with me on this challenge, yeah, of 5 videos. You're just doing it and not overthinking, because the number one hurdle to go ahead is accepting our emotional permanent nagging voice in our head saying, no, I don't feel comfortable with talking to a camera. No, this script, no, is not good enough. I can't go ahead. No, I still have to exercise my pronunciation. No, no, no. It's not today. I'm going to do a video. Stop, 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 stop. I'm stopping it. I'm finished. I do not scripting anymore, because this is slowing me down. Yeah, it's taking off my energy. I can't sit, because then I really get into a kind of overthinking and checking each word and wording. And at the end of the day, my document got maybe longer, but not better. And I missed to create a video. Yeah, and I'm not doing this anymore. I'm not scripting. I just go natural like it is. I have my topic. I have my idea, what I want to share with my audience. And I'm doing this like today and tomorrow again. And I invite you, let's start. Let's do. Because at the end, the doing makes a difference. Yeah. You get better each day by doing. Not by theoretical thinking and thinking. No. So, yeah. After the video, please go ahead with your video. Make a video maybe in response to mine, yeah? You can talk about your challenge, why you haven't really moved forward with video creating. Because this is anyway a topic that is very relevant. A lot of people looking for this to get encouraged to find the best solution, how to go on, how to create videos. But guess what? It always starts with doing it. It's doing. Yeah. And then you find out what works for you, and we get into this understanding of our niche, what actually we like most and what we are best in to provide value to our viewers by just doing it, yeah, not theoretically overthinking and watching all the YouTube gurus, what they are sharing. Oh, my goodness, this is something I have not thought about. I need to think, and the overthinking starts again, yeah? So, no. And there's currently huge advantage with YouTube because the natural style, yeah, is getting more and more attractiveness. People are looking for the natural style. They want to connect to real people, not to fancy graphics and all the editing. And the kind of vlogging is back to be attractive. Yeah, I already remember a time 10 years ago where the video blogging was very popular, and a lot of people did this. And then after a while, after some years, other formats at YouTube gained momentum, gained more interest of people. But now this kind of personal vlogging is back and gives us a huge advantage, yeah, for just staying in front of the camera, letting people for a moment, be part of our life. But of course, we not just want to talk about, drinking coffee in the morning. We want to talk about something that relates to other people's life, yeah. And today, Monday morning, on the 19th of August, it's about starting creating the next video and uploading it, yeah. So this is what I like to invite you. And if you are over 60, yeah, you even have the opportunity to find a link in the description and to register for my free roundtable online meeting where we exchange and talk about our challenge, our ideas, our triumphs, our achievements, yeah, with creating videos and sharing our wisdom and knowledge, because it's so important, especially from us elderly, yeah, from us old ones, to share what we know, what we have experienced, because the world needs this, yeah. They need our experience, our wisdom, our knowledge, and YouTube gives us the occasion, the opportunity to share this for free. So let's do this and start today and go ahead and upload your video. Please share comments. What are your challenges? What are maybe which kind of question you have? I like to connect with you and like to answer what I know. and to help you to succeed here in building up a YouTube channel. So, seeing you maybe in person soon at the next roundtable or reading you in the comments. Bye for now and have fun with creating your video now. Maybe you in the comment, you can even share the link to the video. I would love to see this and give my comments then, of course I do. Promised.